This employment law video is on unfair dismissal. The right. Generally, employees need to have at least 2 years continuous service with their employer to be able to bring an unfair dismissal claim, although there are some exceptions. Automatically unfair. Dismissals for some reasons are automatically unfair, and in most cases the employee does not need the minimum qualifying period. Reasons include, among others, a reason connected with pregnancy, childbirth, for a health and safety reason, for making a protected disclosure, whistleblowing, for asserting a statutory right, and for exercising various time-off rights. For a full list, see this link. Fair reasons. An employer can defend an unfair dismissal claim by showing that the reason or principal reason for the dismissal was one of the potentially fair reasons for dismissal. Potentially fair reasons are conduct, capability, redundancy, contravention of a statutory restriction, such as continued employment breaching immigration rules, or some other substantial reason, such as pressure from a client. Fairness. Once the employer has established a fair reason for dismissal, the employment tribunal has to decide whether the employer acted reasonably in dismissing the employee for that reason. What is required in terms of acting reasonably will depend on the reason for dismissal and the particular case. For more information on the reasonableness test, visit my website. Constructive unfair dismissal. Employees in certain cases could resign and claim constructive unfair dismissal. To succeed in the claim, an employee would need to have resigned swiftly as a result of a fundamental breach of the employment contract, such as a breach of a key expressed term or a key implied term. Bringing a claim. Before bringing a claim, you would need to follow ACAS's, that's the Advisory, Conciliation and Arbitration Services, early conciliation process. A claim for unfair dismissal must usually be filed with the Employment Tribunal within 3 months less a day from when the employment ends, and that's subject to the rules for extending time for early conciliation. The maximum compensation award, in most cases, is the lower of 52 weeks pay or the fixed current cap. That's my video on unfair dismissal. The usual caveat is that this video is for guidance only and should not be relied upon for specific advice. For more information, visit my website. And if you're interested in receiving notifications on other employment law videos, do subscribe to my channel.